There is so much ugly merch out there. Today, I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can DIY and make your own merch that's actually wearable. Like, if you know, you know. And even if you don't know, you know. So, hi guys, welcome back to another Friday video. Today, the journal is back. You know what that means. It's another DIY video. Today, I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can DIY and make your own merch of your favorite little shows and characters. Me personally, I love my little hyperfixations and interests and displaying that on anything that I own. But there is so much ugly merch out there, and it's not subtle. Now, if that's your thing, that's your thing. Now, I have this really ugly Doctor Who shirt that I treasure with my life that my friend Rosie found at a charity shop. It's ugly, but like, I love it. I do only wear it to bed, but don't we all? That's what most merch is, just pajama stuff. Today, I want to try and make merch that's actually wearable. It's kind of subtle enough, but like, if you know, you know. And even if you don't know, you know. So, we're gonna kick it off strong with number 1, a bleached hoodie. I know this is similar to other stuff that I've mentioned in the past, but this is genuinely inspired by all of these TikToks I've seen of people bleaching Vi's tattoo from Arcane. I literally have a black hoodie that I never wear because it's boring. Now, if you're not into Arcane, I do have some other ideas. If you like Spider-Man, you could do the spider on the back. If you're into Doctor Who, you could do a TARDIS or Gallifreyan symbols, which is a little bit more subtle. If you're into Gravity Falls, you could do Stan's tattoo on his shoulder, or you could do Ford's tattoo in Bill's secret code. See, like, the possibilities are really just endless here. So have a little brainstorming session and see what fits for you, but I'm gonna do Vi's, I think. How you get different shades of bleach is by diluting. I've learnt to get the brush a little bit more dry, because if it's too wet, it seeps and then the bleach kind of spreads. But that also might be the look you're going for, so it's a lot of trial and error, basically. Sketch out your design first with either a white pencil, or if you have dressmaker's chalk, that works, or just regular chalk as well. And insert montage of me doing it here. This is me. I'm doing it. I'm doing the thing. Oh wait, I'll do it before. Here's what it looks like before, guys. Boom. And this is what it looks like after. How cool? How cool is this? I think this is cool. Number 2, again, this is a little bit similar to some of my other crafts that I've done. This is just such an easy way to make little merch that's not just clothes, because I didn't want to just include clothes, because some people don't want to do that. They want little stuff for their room. So, boom, clay figurines. Merch figures can be so expensive, and if they're not, they're like the ugly ones. I'm not gonna name names, because that would be rude. And if you feel like you're not good at molding clay and stuff, you could make easy shapes. Like, for example, I'm gonna make a triangle. I wonder who this is. That's crazy. We can make a rectangle. Oh wait, this isn't a rectangle, it's a TARDIS. Boom. And of course a little apple for Eve. Very easy. Just mold clay, acrylic paint, and a varnish. Some other ideas off the top of my head: if you like K-pop, you could try making a mini version of your fave's light stick. If you're into comics, you could make your favorite hero's logo. You could make your favorite hero's helmet. You could make a Daredevil helmet. You can make a Deadpool head. Number 3. I kind of mentioned this in this video. I got the entire idea for this video from this one bit when I was doing that video. But basically, I wanted to make a Doctor Who tote bag. And then I was like, oh my god, I can do a whole video on DIY merch. So here we are, DIY tote bag. Now, either taking a tote bag you already had or using the tips I used in this video on how to make a tote bag. You can put whatever design you want on the front. Off the top of my head, the Night in the Woods characters are really cute as patches. You could sew that on. Again, similar with the bleach stuff on the back. Whatever kind of subtle symbols you could do on this bag instead. You know what I'm saying? You could cut out letters. You could take a patch from a t-shirt that you don't wear and put it on a bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick some Gallifrey phrases. I'm not gonna use the website that they have made as like the official one, because they've kind of basically just taken the circular Gallifreyan fan-made language that everyone has been using for like since the dawn of time, and they like changed it and changed some of the blurs, and it kind of pissed me off a bit. So I'm gonna use the original circular Gallifreyan. Make sure you're careful washing these inside out. Hand wash it if you can, just to make sure it's preserved. And this is what it looks like when it's done. How cutesy. Number 4. We're kind of on a Doctor Who tangent right now a little bit, but don't you worry, because you can apply this to anything that you like, okay? I want to make a t-shirt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this simple idea of putting your favorite quote from a TV show or whatever on the front/back of a t-shirt, but making it look cool by using patches or letters, which you can either make yourself or cut up from stuff you already have. Here's my idea. You can barely see. This is my idea. So the quote I'm using is home the long way around from Doctor Who. Yeah. So on the front it's going to say home, and then on the back it's going to say the long way around. To make your own patches, you cut up squares of fabric with the letters, either paint them or sew them. And then you've got your own patch that you can then sew on, which would look cool. You're watching me do it currently. Doesn't look great. I hope it does look cool. And then I also want to sew like a long sleeve underneath it because I want to do that double layer thing. Boom. Okay, we're on to the last one, number 5. Who's excited? No, everyone's really sad. The crowd is crying. I can't believe I didn't bring this up in any of my other DIYs before, but stickers. It's literally so easy, and it's like my easiest. Hold on, let me go get this. This is my 3DS BT dubs. Look how cute. Print out pictures from like Pinterest and stuff. Because you're using stuff that you don't own, this obviously isn't to sell, this is just for personal use. So you can print out stuff from Pinterest, print it on A4 sticker paper, cut around it, yup, you've got a sticker. And then if you want to go an extra step further to protect it from like rain, you can use sticky back plastic or tape. And then there you go. You've got your own stickers. And also a great gift for friends if you want to just get matching stickers and stuff. That's cute. And if you cannot be bothered to make any of the stuff that I've said today, I do have merch coming out. Yep, sorry, I had to say it. This is sneak preview. It's really cool. It's surrounding my character. I've worked with some amazing artists to bring this together, and I think it's really fun. It's going to be attached to the channel so you can get it whenever. But if you get it on release day, then you're really awesome and cool, and you could be one of the first. And I'm going to be sending thank you videos to people. I know these videos are kind of like snappy and very quick to the point, but of course if you have any questions or want to know anything in more detail, just ask away in the comments. I replied to pretty much every single one. I want to say thank you again for 10k. I know we have 11k now, which is crazy. There's going to be like a new year makeover video coming out soon. I'm literally getting my hair dyed on Wednesday, so that's it for today. Thank you to my supporters on the website. You're really cool. Bye bye. Bye.